My name is Francis. I'm a biochemist. And I studied in my training viruses and immunology. I want to tell you about coronavirus today. Which is a RNA virus. There are 4 to 6 main types of virus. You get DNA and RNA. The 4 main types are split into DNA and RNA. Okay, they're split into these. You get DNA, what is called double-stranded DNA, and which is called double-stranded DNA, and you get single-stranded DNA, and you get the DS, double-stranded RNA, and single-stranded RNA. Okay? DNA, as you know, is made of DNA is made of 4 bases, A, T, C, and G, which form sequences like that, which bond to a complementary one. So this is a DNA section, okay? Section of DNA. RNA, DNA is usually double-stranded. RNA, DNA is usually double-stranded in mammals. So you got 4 main types: double-stranded DNA, single-stranded DNA, double-stranded RNA, single-stranded RNA viruses. Examples of these are double-stranded DNA, include adeno, which causes colds, and herpes viruses. Which causes herpes, and single-stranded DNA. One example is parvovirus. My pronunciation sometimes struggles a bit. And then you got also double-stranded RNA viruses, such as reoviruses, and single-stranded RNA viruses, such as a coronavirus, which we're all familiar with, and peconiviruses, which causes colds, okay, and orthomyxoviruses. So double-stranded DNA viruses include the adenovirus causes colds, herpes viruses. Single-stranded DNA viruses include parvovirus. Double-stranded RNA include what's called the reovirus, and single-stranded RNA viruses include coronavirus that we're all being affected by at the moment, and peconiviruses which are called colds, and orthomyxoviruses. When I said this is what's affecting us at the moment, in fact all these are always affecting us. There are billions of viruses. In fact there's more than billions, there's billions and billions and billions of viruses.